morning and welcome to the Natty Homemaker Show. I'll be your host, Natty Homemaker. Today is day 3, guys. Today's day 3. I'm on the fridge, freezer, pantry challenge. Or fridge, freezer, pantry clean out meals. So today for breakfast I'll be making potatoes in the air fryer. So I'm going to take my little potatoes, I'm going to cut them up in half, and we're going to put that in the air fryer. That will be breakfast on day 3. Okay, so I got the potatoes ready. Cut them up into halves, and I'll just spray it with some olive oil. Not too much. And I have this Chipotle. This is Chipotle I get from the Dollar Tree. Southwest Chipotle. I'm going to put about half a teaspoon in there. And this will be part of my breakfast this morning. I'll be making a cheese omelette to go with it. So here we go. In the air fryer you go. So 10 minutes in the air fryer for 400. Okay, so time to make an omelet. I have water in the bowl. That helps fluff it up. I have an egg. We're just going to do 2 eggs today. It's already 9:30, so it's, late morning. So we're going to have lunch around 12 o'clock. So we're going to put some salt and pepper. A little bit of salt. Oh. Got to put the butter in the pan. Going to use some dry chives. And today I think we're going to use some of this complete seasoning. It's garlic and onion. I guess it's garlic and onion. So garlic and onion seasoning. And that's it. That's going to be your egg today. Well, there's going to be cheese in it as well. But we're going to do that once it's in the pan. Now, this would have been perfect if I had some meat. We have some ham, but I want to keep that more for sandwiches. And we have some ham in the freezer, Tupi ham. That's more for a meal, like a dinner. So, it'd be nice to have some luncheon meat, mock bacon. But we don't, so we're going to use this cheese that I have, and we're going to make a cheese omelet. Just cut them into cubes. Ooh, the potatoes are ready! Yay! I'm going to check on that real fast. So I put those potatoes back in for another 3 minutes. And I'm going to continue cutting up the cheese. I like to put them in chunks because when I flip it, it kind of cooks up the cheese into a crisp. So it's nice and yummy. Like little cheese chips. Know what I mean? And there we go. So this is a nice, simple, easy meal. No fuss. Nice and fast. Just going to add a little bit more salt. There we go. Well, usually I put the lid on it, but I can't find the lid. So it's not going to pop up like it usually does. So I'm just going to flip it now. Hopefully it works out the way it usually does. See, it's not ready yet. Come on. Fuck. See, it's not ready yet. Usually you have the lid on it, and it puffs up real nice. Now it didn't do that, because I can't find the stupid lid. Why is it in the back of the coffee maker? Found it! Someone put it in the back of the coffee maker where I couldn't see it. Sure as hell wasn't me. Okay, let's try this again. And hopefully it works this time because, oh, it's not going to. Okay, well, I'm going to cut it in half then, like that. And we're just going to eat it like this. That's all. It's not a perfect omelet, guys. I put the lid on it, so it melted the top. It's all good. Time to eat. Manger, manger, manger! And there it is. And there's breakfast for two. I have my Chipotle potatoes that were air fried. My cheddar egg omelette with onions and garlic. And I have a salsa on the side, so I could dip my potatoes in the salsa. Hello, friends. Hello. Hi. Aren't you pretty? Your fence is broken. Hello. Hi. Is it cold outside? It is cold outside. Bye. See you. We're just going for a little ride in the bush just to get out of the house. Do something different today. It's lunchtime. Well, this is going to be a simple lunch. I'm making it simple because, well, I'm lazy today. That's right, I'm lazy. So I'm going to be making ham and cheese grilled cheese. Ham and cheese grilled cheese. Okay, so I'm going to teach you how to make grilled cheese. Very simple, very easy, very delicious. So first off, I have 4 slices of bread. Instead of butter, I used mayonnaise. You can use butter, but I use mayonnaise because it makes it so much tastier. So mayonnaise, put it flat down on the pan, like that. This way it doesn't stick. Then we add the fromage, which is the cheese. So I have some cheese slices. Some people use the processed plastic cheese, but I won't because it's disgusting. Okay. There we go. Then I'm going to add some ham. So I got some ham, sliced ham. I'm going to put 2 slices on each. Just like that. And there we go, guys. So I'm going to put this is some basil. I just find basil adds that extra yummy flavor, and I'm on a basil kick lately, so put lots of basil. And I'm going to put some pepper. Lots of pepper. And I put mayonnaise side up, because when I flip it, it won't stick to the pan. And there we go. And now we wait a little bit until it starts to brown the other side, toast the other side. Now you're probably saying, well, Natty, we're not dumb. We know how to make grilled cheese. You know what? There's some people that don't know how to make grilled cheese, especially kids. Sometimes parents watch my channel with their kids. So now the kids know how to make grilled cheese. So that's why I'm showing you how to make a simple thing like grilled cheese. Plus, you know, it gives you an idea of what to do when you're like, oh, I don't know what to eat. It's very simple. It's very easy. It's very frugal. Another cheap little recipe. You could go without the ham if you want. You could add bologna. You could add whatever lunch meat you like. Some people even add bacon. You could add whatever you want. Be creative, guys. Try something different. Something totally different. Something you've never tried before. You'd be surprised what you would come up with. I'm going to put the lid on for a minute, just so it melts the cheese. So just about 1 minute. 1 minute later. Okay, so it's time to flip it. Ooh, yeah, look at that golden crust. Got that nice golden color. And because it's done with mayonnaise, it's got that extra flavor. Well, it looks like it's ready. Let's see. Is it melted? It's starting to be melted. It's almost melted. This one's ready. All ready to go. Well, lunch is ready. I made a grilled cheese with white cheddar, ham, and basil, along with some sauerkraut on the side and some olives. And that will be our lunch today on day 3. It's lunchtime. It's lunchtime. I'm trying to get a right angle for this camera because the lighting is very bright. Okay, so everybody's tried grilled cheese before. Like I said, this is a ham and cheese grilled cheese with white cheddar, basil, and ham. So we're just going to take a bite and share it. It's good, eh?
Yeah.
So look at that. See that? That's my sandwich. So be sure to try it out. If you haven't tried grilled cheese, if you haven't souped up your grilled cheese before, try that out. And we're off to the next meal. Okay, for dinner tonight, I'll be making Orzo. It's a pasta dish I've never tried before. I got this in a box, I put it in a jar, and it's time to use it up. So we're going to do that today. We're going to try this Orzo. So right now I'm just boiling the water, and then we're going to cook it up. Now I was thinking maybe I could do a cheddar sauce with it, or an Asian sauce with soy sauce, or a hot sauce with Frank's hot sauce. I'm not sure what I'll be doing yet. We'll see once this is done, I guess. But for now, we're just going to boil it. So I dumped in 2 cups of the Orzo. So we get about a cup each, but this is going to expand, so it's probably going to be more than 2 cups once it's ready. So it says cook it for 5 to 7 minutes for al dente. I don't want it al dente, so we're going to put it in for 9 minutes. Well, since we're waiting for that, might as well make a sauce, right? So I was thinking of making some kind of cheddar sauce. Or some kind of cheddar or cheesy something sauce, right? But I don't really want to use the cheese that I have in the fridge. So, let's do it this way. I don't want to use the cheese I have in the fridge because I want to use that for a couple other recipes this week. But we're going to make a cheese sauce using the Parmesan cheese that I have. So I have the Parmesan cheese that I had in the fridge. I have jars of these left over from the food truck. So let's use some of that up. I'm going to melt this up real nice. All right, so another concoction. I've never tried this pasta, and I've never made this sauce. I'm just making it up as I go. So this is what I'm doing. Using what I got, making what I can, spreading what I got. La 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 la. So we're going to melt that butter. Once that's melted in, we're going to add the Parmesan. And I need a base, so I might just use a little bit of that coffee creamer or almond butter, or almond milk. I'm not sure yet. We'll see. So now we're just going to put some of that Parmesan in there. Just going to sprinkle it in there. Just like that. Just use the whole thing. How about that? And then I'll just mix that up. Oh, it's gonna need that cream. So just a spot of cream. Just a little bit of cream. That should do it. I know this is not typically your cheese sauce that you would make, you know, your bechamel or whatever. I didn't want to use the cheese sauce or the cheese that I had in the fridge. So I'm doing what I can with what I got. And I'm concocting. It's very bright, right? Actually, I should lower that a little bit. A little bit more. Okay. And it looks like this is ready. So let's check the pasta. Mix this first. Don't want to burn it. Check the pasta. Is that ready now? Let's let it cool down for a minute. Then I'll taste it to see if it's at my texture that I like. So I put this at a low temperature so I don't burn it. It's starting to, looks like it's going to work out, guys. Oh, that's good. Oh my God, that's good. But I'm going to add some hot sauce as well. So I got some Frank's, of course, red hot buffalo sauce. Frank's red hot buffalo sauce. Just going to put a little bit in there. I'm going to mix that up real good. Oh, that's going to make it superb. Frank's hot sauce. I love it. You know I like my hot sauce. You know I like it hot. You know I like it hot. You know I like it hot. Oh, this is going to be perfect. It's going to be delicious, 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 delicious. Oh yeah, this is going to be great. It's going to be fantastic. Also, I'm going to add some minced garlic. Now, as you know, on day one, a bunch of garlic was not good. So I'm going to be using this stuff this week. I'm going to put the sauce that I made, the cheddar sauce or the Parmesan sauce, the Frank's hot sauce, and the butter, all that goodness inside of this dish. There we go. Let's try that. It's going to be, oh. I guess I got to try magic spoon. It's going to be delicious. It's going to be great. It's going to be fantastic. It's going to be delicious. It's going to be great. It's going to be fantastic. It's going to be delicious. It's going to be great. It's going to be fabulous! Yes. Good stuff. So now it's time for my man's work lunch. So I got the Orzo in here. His heating lunch box. So I'll put that in there. There you go. I have a pickle. A fruit cup. Jello fruit cup. An egg. This was a boiled egg I had in the fridge. And a cookie. And that will be his dinner for tonight's work lunch. I guess I should put this... Since we have an egg, I'm going to put a little ice pack on top there. And that will be dinner. That is my hubby's work lunch. Taste test time! Jay is not here, so I'm just going to try it out right now. Mmm. Oh, nice and creamy. Oh, yes. Mmm. Mm-hmm. I'll show you what it looks like. It's very plain, but it's cheesy and it's creamy. It almost tastes like Kraft Dinner. Mmm. But it's got that extra bite to it because the hot sauce. Frank's hot sauce. Oh my god. Yeah, this is delicious. Mmm. Once again, I come up with a meal. So that's going to be dinner tonight, baby. Dinner tonight. Delicious. Gotta love it. I'm going to use the big spoon because I'm going to put this in the sink. Oh, yeah. And the frying pan. That sauce I made. Mmm. Delicious. So, there we go. That's going to be my meal for tonight. Well, day 3 is done. That was an easy day. I had some easy meals. It was tasty. I'm content. I feel full. And yeah, nice and easy day. So tomorrow is day 4. Not sure what I'm making yet. So tomorrow is another concoction day. So stay tuned for day 4 tomorrow. Thanks for watching, guys. Like and subscribe. And be sure to leave a comment below. Bye for now.